How to find prime form. Let's get into it. Okay, let's say I have 3 pitches on the piano. I'm gonna grab 3 different pitches here. I'm gonna grab a D, I'm gonna grab an F sharp, and I'm gonna grab a G sharp over here. So I have those 3 pitches and I wanna put those 3 pitches into prime form. The first thing I need to do is I need to put them into normal form. To get them into normal form, step 1 is get them all within 1 octave. So what did I say I had? I had an E, an F sharp, and a D, an F sharp, and a G sharp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put those F sharp, G sharp, D all within 1 octave. Then what I want to do is I want to do every possible rotation of this group of 3 pitches. It's kind of like the way that we would do inversions of a triad. So we might go like, take the top note off the bottom, put it on the top note off the bottom, put it on the top, right? Those are inversions of a C major chord. I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I've got F sharp, G sharp, and D. Then I'm going to do G sharp, D, and F sharp. And then I'm going to do D, F sharp, and G sharp. What I want to decide is which of those 3 permutations, which of those 3 options has the smallest spacing of the outer interval, okay? So if I go to my original version, the outer interval here is a minor 6th. In this version, it's a minor 7th, and in this version, it's a tritone. So this tritone version is the closest version. That is now the normal form of the set. Now that I've got that set in normal form, what I want to do is I want to invert it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this set and I'm going to invert it. And I want to compare this set with its inversion. So this is a set that starts on the D, goes up 4 half steps or a major third to the F sharp, and then up 2 more half steps to the G sharp. I'm going to invert that by keeping the D and flipping it so that I'm going down 4 half steps and then down a whole step. So now I have this version, A flat, B flat, D. The question then is my original version or this version more densely packed towards the bottom of the chord? And we can see that in this version, it's spaced wide and then narrow, right? Major third, then whole step. Here we have whole step, then major third. So this one here is spaced closer at the bottom. So now I'm going to take this version and transpose it so that the lowest note here, which is A flat, becomes a C. So now I'm going to move that A flat, B flat, D up a major third, moving all notes up a major third, and that becomes C, D, F sharp. That now is the prime form, or if we convert it to integers, 0, 2, 6 is the prime form.